People who make us happy are never the people you expect. So when you find someone, you've got to cherish it.
Life's too short to even care at all. Coming up now, out of the blue. Oh, these zombies in the park, they're looking for my heart. Whoa, a dark world aches for a splash of the sun. If I could find a way to see this straight, I'd run away to some fortune that I should have found by now. And so I run out to the things they say could restore me, restore life the way it should be. I'm waiting for this cough syrup to come down. Life's too short to even care at all. I'm losing my mind, losing my mind, losing control.
I loved you from the first time I saw you. I think I was 12. It took me 3 years to pluck up the courage to speak to you. When we got together, it scared the shit out of me because you were one person who could ruin my life. I'd die for you. I love you. I love you so much. Please kill me.